Welcome to Elementary Summer Reading. Adventure begins at your library for July 9th, 2024, Part 2. How to Eat a Book by Mr. and Mrs. MacLeod. Meet the Grunions. Sheila Grunion has never met an answer she does not question. Gerald Grunion finds himself lost in the oddest of places. Geraldine Grunion is a walking volcano with bows in her hair. Welcome to the curiously twisted world of the Grunions. Sheila sat down to eat her first book, and the strangest thing happened. The book ate her. Sheila's cousin Gerald sensed something stranger still. His left foot went left, his right foot went wrong, and then the book ate him. Gerald's twin sister Geraldine watched it all and sipped her tea, and the tea grew tired of Geraldine, and Geraldine grew tired of the tea. So she grabbed the biggest book she could find, and the book did not eat Geraldine until it did. Devoured by their books, Sheila, Gerald, and Geraldine could no longer hear the cuckoo of Grandma's tick-tock clock. Spiraling into a world of words, hungry for answers, Sheila asked a beautiful question. In search, Sheila blasted off through giants made of gas, through planets made of diamonds, into a space where what goes up doesn't always come down. Hiding behind the lines of his book, the sounds of the bugaboo called out, "Gerald!" Gerald followed the letters into the ever that never had been. Gerald found the bugaboo, and the bugaboo found him. Unleashed by her book, Geraldine burst free from her wall-to-wall carpeted cage. Geraldine tore through the pages to a time where being terrible was terrific, and Geraldine was terrific at being terrible. And the books began to realize something strange was happening, but it was too late. The children were eating the books, one word at a time, until there were no words left. Cuckoo, cuckoo. Strangely, something remained. Sheila's how discovered a why and opened up a what if. Gerald liked being lost and loved being found. And Geraldine would never be tamed. Strange it is, strange but true. The best way to eat a book is to let the book eat you. The end. We're going to color a book tote so that you can eat your own books. What you're going to get is your tote bag, and you'll need to get some sort of markers. If you want the colors to last, you'll get fabric markers or Sharpies. You can use Sharpies also. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take and put my instruction thing into the bag so it doesn't bleed through to the back, just in case. I don't know if it will, but better to be safe than sorry. And then we're just going to go ahead and color the tote. So okay, that one doesn't work. Get a Sharpie out. And that's all I'm going to do is I'm going to color this, and then I'll come back and show you how I did and make it as colorful as you can. It's more fun that way. And take your time. You don't have to do this all in one sitting. You can do this over time. So I'm just going to keep coloring mine. Okay, this is how mine turned out. So, turned out pretty well. I used Sharpies with mine, and this is what my paper underneath looks like. So definitely put a piece of paper in between so it doesn't go all the way through to the back. But that's how it turned out.